صدر آزاد جموں کشمیر بیرسٹر سلطان محمود چودھری کا یوم استحصال کشمیر کے حوالے سے پیغام آئیے آپ کو دکھاتے ہیں.
Today is 5th of August 2024. Right 5 years ago, India abrogated Article 70 of the Indian Constitution and 35A to change the situation, political, constitutional, in occupied Kashmir. Although India has long time ago having a state terrorism in occupied Kashmir, but since 5th of August 2019, they have oppressing, suppressing, and subjugating the people of Kashmir. They want that they should fully, constitutionally occupy occupied Kashmir. Whereas people of Kashmir, although without weaponry, without anything, they are facing Indian terrorism. And India is now oppressing, subjugating and people of Kashmir. But now the people have decided that they will have a peaceful movement, resistance movement in occupied Kashmir. So basically, India want to make occupied Kashmir a part of India. Whereas the people have decided not to be part of India. All they want is right of self-determination according to United Nations resolution, which clearly says the future of Kashmir is depending on people of Kashmir. They have full aspirations and will to find the solution. But India, on the other hand, claims a secular state, largest democracy in the world. But not only in occupied Kashmir, but India has been very much exposed. What India is doing against the minorities of India, against the Muslims of India, untouchables of India, all the Christians of India. So therefore, now the international